Okay guys, we are going to make some old-fashioned Valentines. And for anyone that looked at my Christmas home tour, you saw that the tree I had in my living room isn't your typical tree. It was one of the white birch trees from Hobby Lobby that have the lights on it. And so my intention was to keep it up so I could put other different holiday ornaments and decorate it for different holidays, and that's exactly what I'm doing, and that's what these are for. So we're going to take the little Valentines that I printed off onto cardstock. We're going to take some doilies and just some regular cardstock, okay, and I had this particular red, and some of this string from Dollar Tree and the Chanel stems from Dollar Tree, and that's what I'm going to decorate them with. And what I did is I took my hole punch, and it's in the shape of a heart, and I came in and I made two little holes and threaded the twine through it and made it to where I can hang it on the tree. Okay, so let's get started. And I think this one, I'm going to take one of these. I only could find one of the heart. I could only find one of the heart doilies, so I'm just having to use what I have. But that's okay. And sometimes these are so stuck together, and you think that you've got them all apart, and you don't. Well, maybe I do. I do. Okay, so I'm going to fold this in half, okay, because I want to make a pocket. And then I'm going to fold it again. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going to take the glue stick and just bring it together, give it a nice crease, and then we're going to glue it onto this red heart. Then I'll be able to use this as a pocket. Okay. And for this one, I think I'm going to put this Valentine or maybe I'll put that one there because I want to be able to see it, the writing. I think I'll put this one here. Okay, and then I think I'll put this one here. And this will be able to hang on the tree. This one, I just cut out a piece of the doily to go on half, like you can see here. Okay. And I want to, since this is a little bit crooked, I'm going to bring in my Chanel stem, okay, and I'm just going to glue that. I'm going to keep this down so I can make my holes here. And then I'll come up over the twine. Okay, so I'm going to take my hot glue. I like the way the Chanel stem's giving it that shine. That's pretty. I like that. what? I haven't used these scissors from Fiskars. You know, the different ones we used to use. I knew there'd come a time when I would maybe be able to use these, so that's what we're going to do right now. You know, I hardly ever use these anymore. Well, that's cute. Now let's go this way. I think I like this, you guys. Do you think we should do this with the, oh, I think that looks cute. What do you think? I think it looks cute like that. What the heck was I thinking? I'm going to do that with this one, too. And I like the scallop that this has. Get those scissors out, kids. Move that up a little bit. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Okay, cool. So there you go. There's this and this. And I think I'll put this one in here. Well, you know what? We have this one. I'll put this one here. And we have this one as well. I think those turned out adorable. Guys, I hope that you'll try this. Very easy. Very easy. I had the red paper. I just took these off of what I bought from Etsy and printed them on my printer, and then just embellished with some of the little Chanel from Dollar Tree. I think these are adorable. I hope that you will try it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, okay? Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that there's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.